Previous class we discussed about the reproductive system of male and female gamete. Now this class we are going to discuss about the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means process of formation of gametes, that is formation of sperm and ovum produced by primary sex organs of all sexually reproducing organism. Gamete formation, important cell division is meiosis cell division. It plays a significant role. In the gametogenesis, two types, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. First, we are going to discuss about the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means formation of sperms or male gamete. During development, the primordial germ cell migrate to the testis and become immature germ cells, that is called as sperm mother cells or spermatogonia. Inner to the inner surface of the seminiferous tubule, spermatogonia begin to undergo mitotic cell division at the puberty and continue throughout the life. First stage of spermatogenesis, spermatogonia migrate among Sertolic cells towards the central lumen of the seminiferous tubule and become modified and enlarged to form primary spermatocytes, which are diploid with 23 pairs of chromosome, that means 46 chromosome. Some of the primary spermatocytes undergo first meiotic division to form two secondary spermatocytes, which are haploid with 23 chromosomes each. Second meiotic division to produce the four haploid spermatids. That one also contains 23 chromosomes. The given picture is spermatogenesis. So primordial germ cells in the embryo cell, it is undergoes the mitotic division, and primary spermatocytes, it start the meiosis 1. So secondary spermatocytes are produced 2, and after the second division of meiosis, spermatids forms 4. And that spermatids undergoing the modification, so it is nourished by Sertolic cells and it modify into the spermatozoa. Spermiogenesis, the process of spermatozoa transform into the mature spermatozoa. So the process is known as the spermiogenesis. Spermiation, sperms are finally released into the cavity of seminiferous tubules. The whole process of spermatogenesis takes about 64 days. At any given time, different region of the seminiferous tubule contains spermatocytes in different stage of development. The sperm production remains nearly constant at the rate of about nearly 200 million sperms per day. Spermatogenesis start at the age of puberty and initiate due to the increase of gonadotropin releasing hormone by the hypothalamus. This hormone stimulate the anterior pituitary gland and secrete the two gonadotropin hormones, namely follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone stimulate the testicular growth and enhance the production of androgen binding proteins ABP by Sertolic cells and helps in process of spermiogenesis. Luteinizing hormone act on the Leydig cells and stimulate the synthesis of testosterone hormone, which is turn stimulate the process of spermatogenesis. Here they given the flow chart of hypothalamus producing the hormones, how it will be stimulating. Structure of human spermatozoan. The human sperm is microscopic flagellated and motile gamete. The whole body of the sperm is enveloped by plasma membrane and it is composed of three parts: head, neck and tail. They given the picture here, structure of sperm. head region of sperm. So the head region comprises two parts, namely acrosome and nucleus. Acrosome, it is a small cap-like structure, pointed structure present at the tip of the nucleus. Is formed mainly from the Golgi body of the spermatid. It contains hyaluronidase, that is proteolytic enzyme, popularly known as the sperm lysine. So it helps to penetrate the ovum during the fertilization. Second one, nucleus. Nucleus is the flat and oval shape. Neck, very short, present between the head and middle piece. It contains the proximal centriole towards the nucleus. It helps to fast division of the zygote. Second one, distal centriole. It gives rise to axial filament of the sperm. Then middle piece contain the mitochondria. It is spirally twisted around the axial filament called the mitochondrial spiral or Nebenkerin. It produces the energy for the ATP molecules sperm movement. Tail, longest part of the sperm, slender and tapering. It is formed a central axial filament or axonema, and an outer protoplasmic sheath it will be covering the tail region. It is used for lashing movement, and the tail it will be push the sperm forward. In human male ejaculates about 200 to 300 million sperms during the coitus. It is estimated nearly 60% of the sperm must have normal shape. At least 40% must show vigorous motility for the normal fertilization. Oogenesis, oogonia to oocyte formation. That is the process of development of female gamete or ovum or egg cell. During fetal development, certain cells in the germinal epithelium of the fetal ovary divide by mitosis and produce millions of egg mother cells or oogonia. No more oogonia are formed or add after the birth. The oogonia cells start dividing and enter into the prophase 1 of the meiotic division 1 to form a primary oocyte, which are temporarily arrested at this time. Then the primary oocyte then gets surrounded by a single layer of granulosa cells to form a primordial or primary follicle. A large number of follicles degenerates, that is astrasia, during the period of the birth. From the birth to puberty, they having the many eggs. For example, during the birth time, millions of eggs it will be seen in the ovary. At the puberty time, 60,000 to 80,000 follicles are left in each ovary, but only 300 to 400 will be ovulated before the menopause. That is the reproductive life of the female. They are releasing only 300 to 400 ovule. Each month, about 20 primary oocytes become a secondary oocytes, but usually only one survives to be ovulated from Graafian. The primary follicle gets surrounded by many layers of granulosa cells and a new theca layer to form a secondary follicle. A fluid-filled space, the atrium, develop in the follicle and get transformed into tertiary follicles. Theca layer get organized into inner interna and outer externa. The primary oocyte within the tertiary follicle grows in the size and complete the first meiotic division and form the secondary oocyte. It is the unequal division result in the formation of large haploid secondary oocyte and first polar body. This first polar body may be disintegrates. During fertilization, secondary oocyte undergoes the second meiotic division and produce a large cell ovum and second polar body. This is also maybe degenerates. Tertiary follicle become a mature follicle or Graafian follicle. If fertilization does not take place, second meiotic division is never completed and egg disintegrates. At the end of the gametogenesis in female, each primary oocyte gives rise to only one haploid ovum. Thus, oogenesis result in one large fertilized egg, that is zygote, and possibly three small polar bodies. Structure of ovum. Human egg is non-cleodic, alecital and microscopic in nature. Non-cleodic means it is not surrounded by a calcareous shell. Alecital, yolk is absent and microscopic in nature, and the ovum cytoplasm will be known as the ooplasm. They contain the large nucleus. The large nucleus is known as the germinal vesicle. Then ovum is surrounded by three covering, namely inner transparent vitelline membrane, middle thick zona pellucida, and outer coated of the follicular cells are called corona radiata. Between vitelline membrane and zona pellucida, narrow space is present. That space is called as perivitelline space. The given picture is structure of ovum.